ExifTool is probably the most comprehensive tool available for viewing GPS metadata and the EXIF data. It's largely a command line application. If you want to use ExifTool but you're not a fan of command line, ExifTool has a drag and drop option. Here's how to use that. Using a browser, head on to the ExifTool website. Look for Windows executable, then download the ExifTool zip file located just next to it. Unzip the zip file and you'll end up with this exe file. From this point, all you have to do is drag and drop media files to this exe file to view metadata. Just drag and drop, and the ExifTool will display the metadata immediately. For example, here's an image file, and here's a video file. You can also drag and drop folders containing media files. Also, double-clicking on the exe file will display the application documentation. Tap on the space bar to display more. And finally, if you want to try the command line version, just rename the exe file to exiftool.exe. If you want to know more, go ahead and watch my previous video where I talk about how to view GPS metadata and EXIF data using ExifTool command line. And that's all I have for now. I hope you find this video informative and useful. If it is, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. I would appreciate very much, and I will see you next time.